Welcome back to Omada, your team's central hub. AI profile photos, that's what we're going to talk about. AI profile photos is something we integrated into Omada. Now, you have to buy credits, like processing credits, to be able to use the profile photo generator. But we'll get into that billing and all that other stuff later. But I wanted to show how the AI profile generator works. And we integrated this because, we want a lot of our employee pictures on our websites to look very similar. And if you don't have someone that takes photography really well at your business, it can become looks. Some pictures look great, some don't look very good, but the backgrounds are all different. It just doesn't look like there's unity in them. So we wanted to use this as a tool for companies to easily create profile photos for their employees that's displayed on their website. So over here on the left, we have AI profile photos. Let's click on that, and I'm going to take you through the process. You can also get to this by going into your personal settings, my personal profile settings. And on the right side above your profile, it says generate AI photo. So if you click that, it comes to this same page. Now, this first one, it says your credits remaining. You have 2. So there's been 2 credits delegated to my account, but the company has 9 credits remaining, and you can buy more credits in the billing. And I'll show you that in a little bit. But as an admin or manager, you have the ability to upload a photo. So maybe you have a photo of your employee already, and you want to just make it so it looks uniform and like all the other photos on your account. You can upload a photo for them and generate a profile picture, and then add it to their company user account that's associated with your company. But for most staff, all there is this take photo, and that they'll use their camera on their computer, or they will use the camera on their phone if they're using this on their mobile to take a selfie of themselves and then generate a profile picture using AI. Now, I highly recommend look at these photo tips, because the more that we can make it so the AI does not change the way that your photo looks. Like, if it's a busy background, it has to do a lot of processing to remove that busy background. So if you want a neutral background that's really plain, that's the best. If there's plenty of natural lighting on your face, that's also really good. Lots of shadows is not a good place, because the AI has to manipulate that photo too much. Or if you have high collars or anything like that on your clothing, all of that stuff is not really that good. Or if you have a hat on, it's hard for AI to read, and it manipulates your face too much. So look at these best results and what to do as you get started. So I took a selfie of myself, and we'll use that as a picture. So I'm going to upload one to the generator. So I'm uploading this picture of a selfie I took of myself. Very neutral background, a lot of natural light, not too many shadows on my face. And then I'm going to go to choose style. I'm going to push next. And here we have different styles for our photo generator. We have professional studio, which makes it look like you have a suit on, maybe minus a tie, but you have a suit on. Casual friendly is kind of like just a collared shirt. You're going to go to a golf course or something like that. Creative modern, kind of maybe doesn't change your wardrobe too much, but maybe puts a t-shirt on you or something. And tradesworksman, maybe like a industrial, like a jacket or something. I don't know. So let's just go with casual friendly. And then here we can say, add the company logo to my upper left chest. So we can do that. If you're an admin or a manager, you can set so if you're saying, I don't want this on my clothing, the logo, then you can set that current option for your company. So when a user comes in, a staff, it automatically defaults to what you just chose. So I'm actually going to put it on there. I'm going to set that as the current setting for all of my company. And then I'm going to do a background. Let's do a cream background. So then I'm going to push next review. And what's going to happen, I said push generate my photo, and that takes you into a queue. I'm in queue position 0. Estimated time is about 1 minute. Now it's processing. You can leave this page. You can go wherever you want. If you come back to the My Profile settings, if you go to My Personal Profile, there's this link at the bottom that says AI Profile Photos, and you can see all of your photos that you have generated in this folder. So I've already generated this photo, so I'm going to go there. And here's the one that's processing. Here's the one I did before. And here's my picture. Okay. So there it is. Put the logo on my chest. Great. So now I can download that picture and I can go into my company admin and, I'm not Sarah Doe, but let's just say I can go into edit that person. I can go into her edit profile picture and I can upload that picture. Where is it? This job one. I can upload that picture into this upload profile picture, and there we go. It's going to crop it a little bit, save and upload, and there's my new picture that I generated with AI. So to get back to that space, my personal profile settings, AI profile photos is the ones you've already generated. If you want to generate a new one, you can generate AI photo. So, or you can go back. So it changed. This one looks a little different than the first one. It's the same photo, AI generated. Actually opened it gave me a little bit of a smile on this one, but you can see that it's changed it just a little bit. Maybe even a different shirt as well. So you can play with that. Now for administrative, you have to buy credits to use this. It costs money to use this. So if you go into company admin and billing, right down here in AI photo credits, you can buy, so 1 credit equals 1 production of an AI photo. So you can buy 50 credits for $40, 100 credits for $70, or whatever that looks. So this company has 8 credits left and they could buy more credits. And then you can AI credit distribution. So if you have an employees that, someone that's adding employees and they need to use this a lot, you can select that person and then give them as many credits as you can. So maybe I want to give them all 8 credits. You can add credits to them. So now they can process 8 different people. It gives a default of 3 per employee. So as long as there's credits there, you could also reset all extra credits, which means it's a credit back to the company's default reset value, which is 3. And then, or you can refresh the balances on everybody as well. So if most people have used all their credits, you can refresh the whole company at one time, or you can select one of these employees and refresh their credits in here. So that's within the AI credit distribution under company admin, but you have to buy credits first to be able to use the AI profile photos. But it's a handy tool, and it's just a way to get all of your profile photos looking similar. There we go. So that's how you use AI profile pictures, the generator, to generate photos for your company, or each user can generate their own profile picture.